Today, boys, we're gonna be installing the short throw shifter. Let's see how this goes. All right, boys. So we have the car lifted. We're about to take off the skid plate and the undermat. I call it undermats. Everything is already taken out. I gotta unlink from the bottom, and then from the bottom, I got to take out the shifter from the top, and then from the shifter from the top, and then I'm pretty much done. All right, guys. Last touch. Looks like an anal plug, like an anal bead, or like an ass plug. Holy shit! Oh my fucking god! Holy shit! Oh my god! This fucking feels insane. This feels fucking insane. Oh my god! I cannot wait to drive with this shit, bro.